On today's TIG welding lesson, don't dip your tip. That's a bad thing. And heat cracks. Look at that. Look at that. See how it's cracking already? How funny is that? It's a good thing this isn't meant for anything other than to keep shit from falling through that hole. Ta-da! I'm literally just using this as a welding table and I wanted something to stop it from falling through the hole. And that, as ugly as it looks, will work. It's still cracking. I laid some on the outside just for shits and giggles. Look at that crack though. Good thing it's just a table to weld on.